Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video I'm going to show you how to change currency in Agoda. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Agoda app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, open the app and sign in. Now on the screen you can see options like My Trips, Home, Deals, Cards and more. Stay on Home, then under Home you can see hotels, flights, things to do, homes and apartments. Well, select one of those, then at the top right corner you're gonna see the currency that's on your app. Just tap on it. Mine says US dollar. Once I tap on that, you can see there are all the currencies available there. Just scroll down and you're gonna find a lot of currencies there like Afghani, Arabian Emirates dirham, Australian dollar, etc. I'm gonna select Australian dollar and refresh the app. Now go ahead, refresh it, go to hotels again. Then you can see my currency is changed into Australian dollar. And guys, that's it. That's how you change currency in Agoda. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.